Hey guys, it's your girl Esta, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I'm back with another video. I want to go ahead and get this out the way. Hey, what's up? You haven't subscribed yet? Oh, what you waiting on? The button's red. It's right. It's right. It's right. Right there. And the corner over there. So. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and say I'm sorry for this loud ass bathroom, number one and number two. So after this, y'all basically gonna get a voiceover. But I just want to get the introduction out the way and what's going on in this video. So I was just thinking to myself, I want to see what my grid looks like. I have a picture, or I think a video of what my grid looks like, and I'm going to try to replicate it and also style it as a Bantu knot. So, y'all ready for this? I'm excited. The products and stuff that I have or will be using, I will leave them down in the description box. Also, I'm going to be using this ribbon thingy to like wrap around the Bantu knots. I'm excited. I've always seen girls out here, you know, rocking their Bantu knots. I want to try it to where my grid is when I want to try it. I'm going to leave a side for you guys so you guys can see what my grid looks like before it was in the Microlocs. But other than that, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Hey guys, it's voiceover Esther here, and I'm not gonna say too much as in the voiceover part, but in the few clips that you will see, you're basically going to see me do half of my head and trying to find my grid and also doing the Bantu knots with it. I'm using some regular dandy elastics. These elastics were popping. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the really shiny flat elastics. I don't know why I even chose to use those, but baby, them things was snapping back and forth. I had to go downstairs and get other rubber bands, but other than that, you're going to see me repair a few parts of my hair, like, you know, wrapping the hair around itself. I had a hole in one of my locks. You're gonna see me fix that. This was a really fun experience. It was kind of time consuming, but also like, wow, the talent that people have to do this type of stuff on their own is crazy. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, bye. I just wanted to say that it's so important to do your research. It's really important because not everybody's head shape is the same. You gotta make sure that you're doing it right, or whoever's doing it for you, that they're doing it right. Even though it's a DIY process, but do your research on it, okay? Research is everything. Hey guys, as you can see, I have it fully installed. I'm going to go ahead and show you what a 360 looks like, right? Yeah, a 360. So before I go ahead and put that clip, where you're gonna see that clip, I just wanna go ahead and say thank you so much for coming towards the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you can get alerts whenever I post a new video. And I'm not keeping this in for a very long time. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow. I just wanted to see what my grid looks like, and I'm pretty sure, you know, I just wanted to see what I look like in the bandsaw knot, and I look pretty good. I got decent pictures and all that stuff. Other than that, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye!